In today's video, we are going to discuss on what is coding, how to learn coding, and why to learn coding. Writing code is writing set of instruction a computer or a device can understand. If you want to communicate with any device, then you have to write the code that the device can understand. It's explaining exactly what you want your computer to do at any given moment. Every programmers will write the code based on their requirement, and every application works on the basis of the written code. Consider an ATM machine. Here the person withdraw his amount. How it is possible? This is because the programmer have written the code in such a way that the machine can understand what that person is requesting. From my experience, don't select any programming language without knowing the basic concept of programming, like how a code works, what types of languages are there, what is the method of approaches, what are translators, what is the environment you need to write any program, what is IDE, what is editor, etc. If anyone knows the basic programming concept, then he will learn the coding very easily. But if anyone try to by heart the concept, then they will feel like it's a tough subject for them. Try to learn the concept in a better way. After writing any code, try to run that code by using any IDE. This will improve your attraction towards coding. Which programming language to be chosen? This is the usual question that many of my students and friends ask with me. For beginners, it's better to go with C programming language, because if you learn C programming language, then you can learn any other language very easily. For those who knows C programming, then those guys better to go with the language on which your project is working. Nowadays, mechanical, electrical and any other fields, they are more dependent on automation. So if you want to survive in any of these fields, it's better to learn coding along with your fields. This will be a plus point when you are approaching any company for job. I think everyone knows about the new education policy introduced by our government, where the coding is one of the subject. The government is planning to start coding from 6th class itself. So this is a better platform to learn coding. Okay friends, this is it for now. I'll see you in the next video.